we'll forgive you too if that snow doesn't actually make it down into our area.
Thank you.
Yes.
You're the only person that actually said, if it doesn't snow,
If
I'll
it
still be your
doesn't.
friend.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, well, thank you, Art. I know a lot of folks, especially kiddos, right? Is it going to snow? Is it going to snow? You know, it's the million-dollar question. And folks, there's a million variables that go into snow production here in the Deep South. We are bringing you all the facts, telling you what we know. Promise, we're not trying to hold anything from you. And we'll kind of start with the forecast today, because today's forecast will really lead us into Friday's and that frigid air that's already in place this morning. This is a live look from our Storm Track Tower cam in Birmingham overlooking the Magic City. We're at the freezing mark right now, 32 degrees, but there's no moisture in the air. So today it's going to be a quiet day. A few clouds sticking around, 28 in Gadsden, 32 in Talladega, 31 down in Clanton. And as we roll through your day, we're not looking at a huge warm up, low to mid 30s really through mid morning, 37 at 8 o'clock, 39 at 9, 10 a.m. temperatures 43. Few peaks of sunshine here and there, but for the most part, we are going to see more clouds than sunshine. I want to show you your satellite and radar right now. Look to the north. See some of the blue and the white there on your map? Well, that's picking up some wintry mix up to our north, but don't worry, it's not going to affect us today. We are under a winter storm watch, though. That's effective until 9 o'clock on Saturday morning. Now, what does a winter storm watch mean? Well, what we're doing is we're watching for the potential for the possibility of some wintry mix like snow, sleet, and possibly freezing rain. All right, let me get right to your futurecast. See this blue line that's emerging at the top of your map here? This is our freezing line. This is where anything north of this line, temperatures are below freezing. Below this line, it's above freezing, and that is going to be a line that differentiates who sees snow and possibly who doesn't see snow. It's a suggestive line. We know that it exists, but we know we can have, even north of this line, we may not have winter weather. That doesn't guarantee anything. But I want to show you the timing. This is one thing that has changed big time since yesterday, and that is the timeline. We were forecasting late Friday into Saturday. All models are suggesting trending a little earlier in the day Friday, so you need to be prepared for something possibly sooner than later. That's my advice as we roll through Friday and into Saturday. Notice what happens from about 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Looks like snowfall from Hamilton to Gadsden, and we could even see another banding of rain from Alexander City all the way back towards Demopolis and Marengo County there. And I expect some snow, even though our futurecast is having a difficult time picking up on Birmingham to Tuscaloosa right now. We will see some snow falling from the sky. I believe that. But will we see significant accumulations? I think a lot of that is going to be a game time decision. And here's why. It depends on how warm the ground is. If the ground stays warmer this afternoon, that will help to melt the snow away as soon as it hits. But if it gets colder more quickly, then that ground could stay colder, and that could allow for better accumulation. So ground temperature plays yet another variable into this entire winter weather picture that we're painting. So just be weather aware tomorrow. It should all clear out for your weekend, but prepare for a very frigid Saturday and Sunday. And that's a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast.